Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your document thumbnail for your diagrams and whiteboard presentations on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you need to do is navigate to your document details. To do that, click into these three lines in the top, select file or hover your mouse over file, and from that menu select either details and click into change thumbnail here, or the other option would be to again navigate to file here and to hover your mouse over change document thumbnail and to click into upload image here. Next, click into this button here or into that icon and navigate to the file in PNG or JPEG format as a thumbnail on your device, upload it, or alternately you may use the drag and drop option here to upload the image here. Click into save after that, and that is going to become the document thumbnail here on Lucidchart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.